Okay, it is now Friday and surgery was Wednesday. The way I've been counting was surgery day was day zero, so this is day two. Um, Sleeping for the first couple of nights has been rough. Uh, Mostly the hardest part is getting comfortable. Um, as far as the pain medications go, I really dislike uh, the opiate medications. They don't sit well with me. I don't get nauseous or anything. I just feel really amped up. It's not good. So I took those the first day, and the following night, day after surgery, I weaned myself off immediately, and I've just been taking ibuprofen and Tylenol, and that has actually been working very well. I've been really happy with that. So I'm not on the opiates at all anymore, which is fantastic because that means A, no addiction, B, no issues with constipation or anything like that. So super happy about that. Current situation, same as when I got home from surgery. That's the same splint. See some fun of the stuff they put on to sanitize and everything. I have not taken a shower yet. I was not told I couldn't take a shower, but I've really just tried to minimize moving around a lot. And I live in a two-story house, so I'm trying not to go upstairs all that often, although I have done it. But the ability to take a shower, I think I can, but I'm going to wait one more day just to kind of let everything settle a bit. Gotten a few questions about mobility, how I'm moving around. So mostly that's with crutches, which I'm a rock climber, so upper body strength isn't really a problem for me. But what I wasn't really prepared for with the crutches is how much pressure and weight you put on your good foot, and you start to get sore really fast. Actually, my underarms and hands aren't a problem, but I did realize I was putting tremendous amounts of pressure on my good leg just standing on that foot. So I also picked up that iWalk thing. You've probably seen this thing around. It's really silly looking, actually, to be honest, but it was a recommendation of a friend who actually shattered his ankle and had to do very similar things to the recovery protocol. He recommended this thing as a lifesaver, and so far I have to say it is actually pretty good. Um, I'll make a video at some other point showing how walking around on it, but the idea of being hands-free is actually really nice. It equalizes the pressure back on your standing leg so that you're 50-50, which makes it much easier and more normal to stand up, which is nice as far as the crutches go. It's not hard to get used to. It actually is pretty easy to walk around. And the only problem I had with it is the day when I got home from surgery. It wasn't about me still being groggy. It was just it kind of hurt enough. And the day after surgery, you have to really cinch it down on your leg to make sure that it's stable. And today, day two, if you're counting from zero, I actually was able to wear it, and it wasn't uncomfortable. It was still a little but I can see that as you heal and feel better, that thing actually is going to work out quite well. So that's where I am. Still got a ways to go in terms of my first follow-up appointment where they'll go check the splint. Hopefully I'll get into a boot at that point. But right now it's a lot of couch time, a lot of computer time, and a lot of nothing time. Boring as hell, but at least the healing has started.